Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we have a super special plant to talk about, the stunning Aglaonema Super White. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your indoor garden, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share some invaluable care tips to ensure your Aglaonema Super White thrives and looks as radiant as ever. But first things first, let's introduce the star of the show. Aglaonema Super White is a striking and highly sought-after cultivar of the Aglaonema genus, known for its stunning foliage. This popular houseplant is admired for its distinctive variegated leaves, which showcase a beautiful blend of shades, predominantly featuring crisp white and lush green hues. The name, Super White, aptly describes the dominant coloration of its leaves, making it a favorite choice among indoor plant enthusiasts who are looking to add a touch of elegance and brightness to their homes or offices. Its ability to thrive in low to moderate light conditions and its low-maintenance nature further enhance its appeal, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. The Aglaonema Super White not only adds aesthetic value to indoor spaces but also contributes to improved air quality. Like other Aglaonema varieties, it is known for its air-purifying properties, helping to remove common indoor pollutants from the atmosphere. Its adaptability to various light conditions and its ability to withstand occasional neglect make it a resilient and rewarding addition to any indoor plant collection, brightening up spaces with its striking foliage and enhancing the overall ambiance. Now let's shift our focus to the care tips. Tip 1. Light requirements. Now, let's dive into the care tips. First up, light requirements. Aglaonema Super White prefers bright and direct light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Place your plant near a north or east-facing window, or use sheer curtains to filter the light. If you notice the variegated leaves losing their color, it might be getting too much light. Tip 2. Temperature and humidity. Temperature and humidity are also crucial for the well-being of your Aglaonema Super White. Keep it in a warm room with temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This plant also appreciates higher humidity levels, so consider using a humidity tray or a humidifier, especially during dry winter months. Tip 3. Watering. Let's talk about watering. The Aglaonema Super White is relatively forgiving when it comes to watering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Stick your finger in the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Be sure to use a well-draining potting mix and a pot with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Tip 4. Pot and repotting. As your Aglaonema Super White grows, you may need to repot it every couple of years. Choose a slightly larger pot, but don't go too big too fast, as these plants like to be a bit root-bound. Spring is the best time for repotting. Tip 5. Fertilizing. Now, about feeding your plant. Use a balanced, liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer, every 4 to 6 weeks. Reduce or stop fertilizing in the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Tip 6. Pests and diseases. Fortunately, the Aglaonema Super White is relatively pest-resistant, but it's still a good idea to inspect your plant regularly for any signs of pests like spider mites or mealybugs. If you spot any, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap. Tip 7. Pruning and maintenance. Lastly, a little pruning can go a long way in maintaining the plant's shape and appearance. Trim off any yellowing or dead leaves and use sharp, clean scissors or pruning shears to make clean cuts. And there you have it. Aglaonema Super White care made simple. Remember, this plant is not just a stunning addition to your indoor garden, but it's also a great air purifier. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.